November soybeans closed unchanged today after earlier in the day being higher and testing the lows of the day from Monday's USDA WASDE report, which was surprisingly bearish. There was also bearish follow through to the downside on Tuesday, the day following the report. And with a slightly stronger day yesterday and strength early today, we had gotten back to sort of erasing the weakness that we saw on Tuesday. However, soybeans were not able to stay up there and closed absolutely unchanged on the day. Fairly rare that I get to say that in these sorts of things, because it's, again, unchanged is an exact number from yesterday. It's a little bit of a disappointment that we weren't able to hold on to that strength. Now, we did have the July NOPA crush figure that came out today. It came in basically right on top of expectations at 182.9 million bushels. For the month of July, that is soybeans crushed to make soybean meal and soybean oil. Soybean meal is used to feed animals. Soybean oil is used for biodiesel and for other oil applications, including cooking. The trade guess had been 182.4, so really very close to what the trade was expecting. But that is a new record for the month of July. So there's some positive in that, but as expected, right? There's also weekly export sales this morning. They were better than the trade expectations, specifically for the new crop soybeans. Old crop, which is current marketing year that ends at the end of August, was 222,000 metric tons. The range of guesses there was 100 to 500,000, so really kind of in the middle or towards the lower end of the range. But for new crop, we saw 1.344 million metric tons. The range of guesses there was 400,000 to 1 million, so well above the high end of expectations there. That is quite a positive note because new crop soybean sales have been well behind the average pace. So the fact that they're starting to pick up at this time of year where we would expect them to is a nice development, but not a complete change in the fundamentals that we have. For next week, we'll be watching weather closely. Soybeans are still in the time frame of weather sensitivity, and there is a big private crop tour going on, and the market will be listening to updates of what they are seeing out in the fields for next week. So everybody, a lot to be paying attention to. Stay tuned. Have a wonderful day, and you stay safe.